I am overjoyed to tell you about this outstanding and obtainable home on Oregon. This one is one of a kind. Take a look.
This is your chance to own a well-maintained home in a great location. The floor plan includes a spacious living area that is comfortable and inviting. The kitchen and dining area is the place to gather with family and friends. You'll love the convenience of being so close to shopping, dining, and entertainment. The deck in the back is perfect for grilling out or just relaxing under the trees. Plus, there are 2 storage buildings. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has plenty of space for you and your family, with an attached front entry garage and a huge backyard.
I am optimistic that you will choose this home on Oregon. Don't miss your opportunity to make an offer. I'm open for calls, so call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.